Hello, I'm Benny Westside, and we're here with the new season of Alliance War, and we're facing a 1.7 million Rebirth team with a 1 million War Dogs. Let's see how this goes. Every season they put Safeguard on a new team, and always, War Dogs seems to be the counter. My boy 1 million with the Safeguard on his ultimate has just been really great in this regard. I probably maybe should have used Okoye's ultimate on Cap. I don't know. Hmm. Shuri? Now, if I ability block Peggy, Cap's gonna clear it. So I'm just gonna ability block Cap. Okay. Come on, people, let's kill somebody. Nice. Alright. Ooh, should have gone after the safeguard, but that's okay. What? Already? Yeah, Rorik's War Dogs has been uh yeah, a value for sure. It's like sometimes though I'm not sure. Sometimes they're like, especially in Crucible, they're like the B plus team of the game or something like that. But constantly B plus. But I guess that's not a bad thing, huh? I also love that Okoye Ultimate clears revive once. That's very nice. Yeah, they've fallen off in Crucible. Yeah, yeah, time. I need to watch the time. But I think we're good, Rolf. I think we'll beat it there. Unless the animations just get the better of me. Okay, we're done. That was very smooth. I think I can uh, picture myself punching up. I think I can picture myself punching up higher. Uh, yeah. Thank you for doing that fight with me. I will see you in the next one.